to 91 FM. Sounds of the 60s. BBC Radio 2.
Good morning, Avids, and welcome to the latest edition of your favourite show. Our opener today is one of the 12 American #1 hits scored by the Supremes and came out in 1966. You Keep Me Hanging On.
I can do about it. Whoa.
Supremes US #1 that also made the UK top 10. Now, during the first hour of the show this week, you should be playing record requests recorded by Dobie Gray, Simon and Garfunkel, and then an Elvis disc some of you have found hard to get. And finally, on side one, a release by the Animals. And next, the first record released by David Jones after he changed his name to David Bowie, and also his first single to be released in America, produced by Tony Hatch and credited on the label as being by David Bowie in the lower third. This was Can't Help Thinking About Me.
Question time that says I've brought dishonor. My head's bowed in shame. It seems that I've blackened the family name. Mother says that she can't stand the neighbors talking. I've gotta pack my bags, leave this home, start walking. Yeah, I'm guilty. I wish that I was sorry this time. I wish that I could pay for my crime. I can't help thinking about me. I can't help thinking about me. I can't help thinking about me. Remember when we used to go to church on Sundays? I lay awake at night, terrified of school on Mondays. Oh, but it's too late now. I wish I was a child again. I wish I felt secure again. I can't help thinking about me. I can't help thinking about me. I in the Never Never Land. The station seems so cold, the ticket's in my hand. My girl calls my name. Hi, Dave. Drop in, see you around, come back if you're this way again. I'm on my own. I've got a long, long way to go. I hope I make it on my own. I can't help thinking about me. 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 I can't help thinking about me.
A David Bowie record from 1966 that was reissued by Pye in 1972 with a different B-side. And now our first request from Nigel Tunstall of Barbourne, Worcester, for a disc to be played for his sister Sandra in Chester, and her best friend Mary now lives in Devon, both of whom celebrate their 60th birthdays this month. And next, I gather, ladies, that you two have known each other since childhood, but the distance between your homes doesn't keep you apart. In fact, Nigel says you're as close now as you've ever been. The record he's chosen is one he says expresses how he saw you two as a younger brother and will always continue to do so. Dobie Gray singing The In Crowd. Dobie Gray. Born in Texas in 1940, he moved in the 60s to California and there met up with Sonny Bono, who became his mentor. The In Crowd brought him his first international recognition. And next, a British girl who began her career as a model, but was then recruited to Top of the Pops to be seen every week placing the records on a turntable for bands and singers to mime to. Her name was Samantha Just, and Strike Records signed her to their subsidiary label Go, for whom she made this one record in 1966, No One Needs My Love Today. The one and only single made by Samantha Just, who later married Mickey Dolenz of the Monkees. And from that, we move on to this week's choice for our Stuck on 2 feature. This time, Engelbert Humperdinck's cover of an American original by country singer Jack Green, There Goes My Everything. Engelbert's version slipped into the UK number 2 slot during the third week of June 1967 and remained there for 4 weeks.
There goes my only possession. There goes my everything. I hear footsteps slowly walking as they gently walk across a lonely floor. And a voice is softly saying, darling, this will be goodbye forevermore. There goes my reason for living. There goes the one of my dreams. There goes my only possession. There goes my everything. As my memory turns back the pages, I can see the happy years we had before. Now the love that kept this old heart beating has been shattered by the closing of the door. There goes my reason for living. There goes the one of my dreams. There goes my only possession. There goes my everything. There goes my only possession. There goes my everything.
So Engelbert Humperdinck stayed at number 2 with that song for 4 weeks. And for all of that time and more besides, our number 1 was the disc by Procol Harum, which had knocked the Tremolos off top spot with their version of Silence is Golden. And it was, of course, A Whiter Shade of Pale, which had remained at number 1 for 6 weeks, becoming in the process the worldwide best-selling single of 1967.
We skip the light fandango face at first just ghostly. Turn the wider shade of pale. She said there is no reason, and the truth is plain to see. But I wander through my playing cards, would not let her be one of 16 vessel virgins who were leaving for the coast. And although my eyes were open, they might just as well be closed. And so it as the mirror told his tale, that her face at first just ghostly. Turn the wider shade of pale.
The long-running chart topper by Procol Harum, finally removed from number one by the Beatles' All You Need Is Love. And now here's US group The Regents, who'd recorded the original version of the Beach Boys hit Barbara Ann. As a follow-up, The Regents issued and got into the US top 30 in 1961 with Ernie Maresca's composition Run Around.
I'm sick and tired of your lies telling me that you're good when you're going out with guys from your whole neighborhood. I've got news for you and I'm not kidding around. Pack up your bags and get out of town. Run around, run around. Runny, 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 run around, run around. Runny, 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 run around, run around. Runny, 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 when I gave you love and kisses and I bought you a ring, what a love this is. You're ruining everything. I used to have a job, took me from town to town, but everywhere I went, this is what I found. Run around, run around. Runny, 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 run around, run around. Runny, 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 run around, run around. Runny, 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 I gave you love and kisses and I bought you a ring, but what a love this is. You're ruining everything. I used to have a job, took me from town to town, but everywhere I went, this is what I found. Run around, runny, 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 run around, run around. 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 Runny, runny, runny,
Early 60s US hit for the Regents, bringing us to a request now from Colin Barron of Milton Keynes for his friend Pete Dams of Wolverhampton, who's recently retired from the Express and Star newspaper. Colin wishes you well for your retirement, Pete, and asked us to play Simon and Garfunkel's 1966 US hit, A Hazy Shade of Winter.
So hard to please. But look around, leaves are brown, and the sky is a hazy shade of winter. Hear the Salvation Army band. Down by the riverside, it's bound to be a better ride than what you got planned. Carry your cup in your hand and look around. Leaves are brown now, and the sky is a hazy shade of winter. Hang on to your hopes, my friend. That's an easy thing to say, but if your hopes should pass away, simply pretend that you can build them again. Look around, the grass is high, the fields are ripe. It's the springtime of my life. Just stop and remember me at any convenient time. But I have my manuscripts while looking over manuscripts of unpublished rhyme, drinking my vodka and lime. I look around, leaves are brown now, and the sky is a hazy shade of winter. Look around, leaves are brown. There's a patch of snow on the ground. Look around, leaves are brown. There's a patch of snow on the ground. Look around, leaves are brown. There's a patch of snow on the ground.
A single taken from Simon and Garfunkel's album Bookends, which made the US top 20 but failed in Britain until it was reissued in 1991 when it finally got to our number 30. 3 years earlier, however, it had been covered by the Bangles, who reached number 2 with it in Britain, their version having been featured in the movie Less Than Zero, which included a very young Brad Pitt. And we're going to include now a song from Sandy Posey. Her career got underway when an MGM executive asked her to record a demo of a song called Born a Woman, and was so impressed he gave her a contract and made that her first single. She then had a hit with another song, Single Girl, by the same writer, Martha Sharp, and for her third release, John D. Loudermilk was called in and came up with What a Woman in Love Won't Do.
Breakfast, baby, in bed. Lord, what a woman in love won't do. At times I've got you lying with your bare face hanging out, but I just couldn't follow through. I'd just be you're being untrue. Lord, what a woman in love won't do. What makes me keep on putting up with this? What keeps me kneeling on
The third hit by Sandy Posey, which just scraped into the top 50 in the UK in 1967, and leads us this week into Beatles territory, with first of all a cover by the group which had started out as the Pigeons, but in that year, 1967, issued their debut and most successful album, carrying their new name of Vanilla Fudge. Being great admirers of the Beatles, they'd included this version of Ticket to Ride. It's been reported that the Beatles themselves would play Vanilla Fudge's covers of their songs to anyone who'd listen.
Standing on the corner, watching all the girls go by. Standing on the corner, watching all the girls go by. Brother, you don't know a nicer occupation. Matter of fact, neither do I. Than standing on the corner, watching all the girls, watching all the girls, watching all the girls go by. I'm the cat that got the cream. Haven't got a girl, but I can dream. Haven't got a girl, but I can wish. So I take me down to Main Street, and that's where I select my imaginary dish. Standing on the corner, watching all the girls go by. Standing on the corner, giving all the girls the eye. Brother, if you've got a rich imagination, give it a whirl, give it a try. Try standing on the corner, watching all the girls, watching all the girls, watching all the girls go by. Saturday, and I'm so broke. Haven't got a girl, and that's no joke. Still I'm living like a millionaire when I take me down to Main Street and I review the harem parading for me there. Standing on the corner, watching all the girls go by. Standing on the corner, underneath the springtime sky. Brother, you can't go to jail for what you're thinking, or for the look in your eye. You're only standing on the corner, watching all the girls, watching all the girls, watching all the girls go by.
Well, that was a trio from Essex who started out as juveniles in the 50s, calling themselves the King Three, later changing that to the King Brothers, whose biggest hit we just heard, Frank Lesser's song, Standing on the Corner. And just before we get into this week's Playing Hard to Get feature, let me remind you how you can get one of our exclusive CDs. If there's a particular track from the 60s that holds a special memory for you, and you've either lost it, broken it, or lent it to a friend and never got it back, this is your chance to get it replaced. Each week we give away a unique one-off Sounds of the 60s copy of one of your long-lost tracks. So keep those stories behind your most wanted tracks coming in, and you never know, you might be lucky enough to get it played. And then we'll give you the copy to keep. So drop us a line to Playing Hard to Get, Sounds of the 60s, BBC Radio 2, London W1A 4WW, or email in the usual way to sots@bbc.co.uk. But please keep those normal dedications and requests coming as well, and very importantly in this connection, give us as much notice as possible, will you? And don't forget to include your name and address. Amazing how many people do just that. No big deal, is it? But just pop it in. We do like to know where you are when we're talking to you. And this week, 2 listeners have had difficulty finding the same record, and they've both turned to us for help. First, Jocelyn George of Cheltenham, who says that her singles collection ended up, she can't think how, at a friend of her son's, where it was left in a window in full blazing sun, and the whole lot was ruined. All but one have since been replaced on CDs, and the one exception is Kiss Me Quick by Elvis. Also having trouble with finding this same track is Graham Drayton in Scunthorpe, who asks us to play it even if he doesn't get a copy as well. Well, both of you will indeed be receiving one of our own exclusive Sounds of the 60s CD copies, and here it is anyway.
Kiss me quick while we still have this feeling. Hold me close and never let me go. 'Cause tomorrows can be so uncertain. Love can fly and leave just hurting. Kiss me quick because I love you so. Kiss me quick and make my heart go crazy. Sigh that sigh and whisper oh so low. Tell me that tonight will last forever. Say that you will leave me never. Kiss me quick because I love you so. Oh, let the band keep playing while we are swaying. Let's keep on praying that they'll never stop. Kiss me quick, I just can't stand this waiting. 'Cause your lips are lips I long to know. For that kiss will open heaven's door, and we'll stay there forevermore. So kiss me quick because I love you so. Let the band keep playing while we are swaying. Let's keep on praying that they'll never stop. Kiss me quick, I just can't stand this waiting. 'Cause your lips are lips I long to know. For that kiss will open heaven's door, and we'll stay there forevermore. So kiss me quick because I love you so. Kiss me quick because I love you so. Kiss me quick because I love you so.
Well, that was recorded by Elvis in June 1961 and first released in 62 on his album Pot Luck. It became such a favourite with fans that in 63 RCA decided to release it as a single. And so to our final side one request. Brian Hines wrote to us from Morpeth to say he's now 65, but listening regularly to this show, he just doesn't want to retire because some of the songs and artists bring back great memories and generate a fantastic amount of renewed energy. Back in 1965, however, he hated his job and thought the Animals record, We've Got to Get Out of This Place, was brilliant. So now he's got a bit of a quandary. Doesn't want to retire, but still wants to hear the same record.
In this dirty old part of the city where the sun refused to shine, people tell me there ain't no use in trying. Now my girl, you're so young and pretty, and one thing I know is true, you'll be dead before your time is due. I know. Watch my daddy in bed at time. Watch his hair been turning gray. He's been working and slaving his life away. Oh yes, I know. He's been working so hard. Oh, Mom been working too, baby. Every night and day. you're so young and pretty. And one thing I know is true, yeah, you'll be dead before your time is due. Know it. Watch my daddy in bed at time. Watch his hair been a turning gray. He's been working and slaving his life away. I know he's been working so hard. I've been working too, baby. Every day, baby. We gotta get out of this place. If it's the last thing we ever do, we gotta get out of this place. Girl, there's a better life for me and you. Somewhere, baby. Somehow I know it, baby. We gotta get out of this place. If it's the last thing we ever do, we gotta get out of this place. Girl, there's a better life for me and you. Believe me, baby. I know it, baby. You know it too, baby.
Now, from that Animals UK number 2 to our final disc on side 1 before breaking for the 9 o'clock Radio 2 news summary. Back in the 50s in Dartford, Kent, there was an outfit called the Colin Borner Skiffle Group that later became the Barons, signed to Oriole, for whom they released 2 singles and apparently recorded several other tracks that remain unreleased. The Barons also worked as a backing band on occasions for several artists, including Eden Kane, Bruce Chanel and Michael Cox. This was the first disc that was actually released in 1961 under the title of Cossack. Side 2 of Sounds of the 60s continues after the news. This is BBC Radio 2 online, on digital and on 88 to 91 FM.